Alright, welcome back to the channel. This episode is just literally an update of what's going on. Well, there actually isn't much going on at the moment, but this is an update just to brief people of the situation in hand at the moment. Obviously, as you've seen in the last couple of videos, I've jumped from the Triumph to the Z650 to the Z1170 project bike. Most of it has been waiting for parts. There's always stuff to do, as people well know that tinker away in the garages, you always find something else to fill in the gaps while you're waiting for stuff. Absolutely overwhelmed with the amount of people that gave me feedback and commented, helped, whichever way they can. It was amazing. Lots of comments about these rubbers. People didn't even realise they were on the bike, had to go and check. I had one gentleman said he raced outside to check to see if he had them, and he hadn't. He said didn't even know they existed. Another gentleman commented that he hasn't got them either. So as I say, big thank you to everybody that's commented and pointed that out. Right, as you can see, the actual choke plungers, I've still had no luck on that. Choke plungers are back out. Reason these plungers are back out, a gentleman's reached out to me, a gentleman called Brian. I have spoken to him in the past, and he's basically offered to refurb these plungers for me, which is absolutely phenomenal. So a really big thank you to Brian. I'll show you some details about Brian and his company. I'll show you that now. Right, so this is Brian's page on Facebook, Centurion Motorcycle Projects. Basically offering vapor blast, surface finishing solutions, custom wiring harnesses, works for the special builder, undertakes all sorts of projects, replating, just scrolling through. Also he's bringing in products for Z650 clutch baskets, new ones with rubber dampers. Engine work, .550 Kawasaki clutch baskets. I mean, I've spoken to the guy a few times now, just in messages, and wealth of experience. I do follow his page. Carburettor drain screws for Makunis, brand new ones, which again most people will know, hard to get hold of. Crank balancing. So as you can see, offers a wide range of services. As I say, I'm really grateful that he's actually reached out. Again, crankcases that have been vapor blasted. But a really good page. Let me scroll back up to the top. So if anybody's interested, that's how you can get hold of them. You can follow the group. You can also ask questions. The guy's really helpful. There we go, so 1,465 people like this page and 1,627 follow the page. All the contact details if you want to get hold of them, website, and you've got a phone number, you can send a message as well. But as I say, go and check him out. Any questions you've got, You can actually ask him. I say, really helpful guy, so thanks to him. He's going to hopefully be able to sort out my choke plungers, so then we can actually get back into the actual carb rebuild. I say once they're back, I say I've had to take them all out, then we can go underneath and start doing all the measurements for the actual floats. So like I said, that gives you a brief understanding of where I'm at the moment, as though these issues do crop up. But like I said, big thank you to Brian. Go and check out his page. I'll leave a link in the description. You know, the services he offers, there's something in there for everyone. Again, anybody who wants to contact me, they can either personal message me, they can leave a comment in the comments box below, you can move across to my Facebook page, there's a link in the description. You can talk to me there, you can message me there, whatever anybody feels comfortable with. If you want to private message me, fine, YouTube or Facebook. Some people find it easier. The page is growing daily, which is absolutely phenomenal. Round about at the moment nearly 1,000 followers, which is absolutely fantastic. I am doing as much work as possible to promote the channel, the social media. The social media basically works in tandem with the actual channel. I use the social media to promote the actual Facebook. I use social media to actually promote the YouTube channel. It does work really well, but as I say, the views are going up, the subscribers are going up, the likers are going up, the followers on Facebook are going up, which is beyond my wildest dreams. So big thank you to everybody. There are links to other videos at the end of the video, and as always, appreciate your support, all your help. Big thank you. See you again next time. Cheers. Bye.